This 2025 Alliance RV Delta 294RK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Alliance RV is 33 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, skylight, air conditioning, spare tire kit, oven, external shower, slide-out, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Alliance RV Delta 294RK is 7,156 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.